Watson here at Joseph Motors. I add another vehicle to our YouTube page. This is a 2024 Chevy 3500 two-wheel drive Duramax diesel Allison transmission, 76,000 miles, clean. I mean, this thing is sharp. I mean, sharp on the inside. Johnny, I'm going to go in here. It's got all kinds of gadgets on the inside. It's too much to go over in the video because we got to keep it short. Power locks, power windows, keyless, hands-free, Bluetooth, phone chargers, 24-volt adapter, 12-volt adapter, all kinds of things. Sirius satellite radio. There's no scratches, no rips or tears. The seats are in great shape. What'd you say, Johnny? Backup camera. Oh, rear backup camera. Most of this stuff's all standard on these puppies now. But as you can see, Johnny, get a shot of that floor too. They didn't use this as a work truck. I mean, it's just super neat, super clean. Going to the back of the truck, weather guard, extra cabinets on both sides. You've got the rear lockers here for extra security. Trailer tow package, tow prep ready. Trailer tow trim inside. U-bolts are here that they've got for tie downs and stuff. We redid the floor here in a truck bed coating just to spruce it up a little bit. Had some minor scratches on it. Little handles here, which is nice. Assist handles they've got. Again, the weather guard on this side. Side steps, we put those on it today. Kind of dress it up a little bit. But to be a work truck, this thing's in excellent condition. I think the president of the company drove this one, I guess. Wasn't worked out of too much. Real nice. It's got 10 flat tires wrapped all the way around on it. Duramax diesel underneath here. Pop the hood. Gonna have the LED lighting up top. Like I was telling you, they did a great job clean. You know, we didn't really have to clean too much on it. It was just clean pretty much when we got it. We spruced it up a little bit. Really, really nice, clean 6.6 Duramax. Up top, it's going to have the LED lighting. LED lighting here on the sides here. It's going to have lane assist. It's got lane assist, crash assist, all kinds of stuff. I've got it all listed on the website. But if you want more information, any more pictures or anything, personal video to you, to yourself, or for your company, hit John or me up. Johnny's behind the camera here. You know, I'm the superstar. He's the cameraman. And we'd love to hear from you. Again, it's at Joseph Motors, NC.com is the website. You can call us at 919-661-2886. That's going to be the phone number. Love to hear from you. Have a great day.